Hello, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Caitlin Stathis, and I work with the County of San Diego. As a result of COVID-19, we have received orders to stay home and shelter in place. This means we have less time outdoors and with others, so taking time for ourselves is really important. These how-to videos have been created to equip you with the resources for how to use different mobile applications. Take a Break Guided Meditation is a free, convenient guided meditation app which allows you to relieve stress and take time for yourself. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use Take a Break Guided Meditation in just a couple steps. Before we get started, I just want to give you a moment to pause if you want to follow along with us on your own device, or if you'd like to grab a pen and paper to take notes. Feel free to pause at any time during the video if you need to go at your own pace. And lastly, throughout this presentation, you may hear me refer to applications as apps. App is just a shorthand way of saying applications. Today we will be using the Take a Break application. You can download the app from Google Play Store if you're an Android user, or the App Store if you're an iPhone or iPad user. Once you have opened either the Google Play or App Store, search for the Take a Break app. As you can see here, it's a purple icon, and install it to your device. After it's finished installing, tap the button labeled Open to begin using the app. If you start by opening the app, the first thing you'll see is the Take a Break title at the top. Below that, you'll see three phrases: Sleep Better, Anxiety Relief, and Meditation RX. These are just three other apps that you can click on, and it'll take you to the App Store to purchase them. At the bottom, you'll see Turn Off Ads and Restore Purchase. These are ways to pay for upgrades. Now let's go ahead and click the Listen button at the top. At the top, you'll see three icons. We'll come back to them later. Next, you'll see the phrases Work Break 7 minutes and Stress Relief 13 minutes. These are the two different options of guided meditations that you can choose from. Directly below that, you'll see a volume scale where you can adjust the volume of the meditation. Next, you'll see the background noise options of ocean, rain, stream, and music. And again, directly below that, you can adjust the background noise volume. Just like the front page, you can see the links to the other apps that appear at the bottom of this page. If you look down even further, you'll see the phrase Background Continues with the options 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or loop. By clicking one of these options, you're prompting the app to continue the background noise for a given time once the meditation stops. Next, click the information button in the upper right-hand corner. On this page, you'll find information on tips for using the app and about the meditations. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll see the options Done and Support. Done will take you to the previous page, and Support will take you to the following page. After clicking Support, it'll bring you to this page where you'll have the options to click the external links of Support, Visit Website, Twitter, Facebook, Tell a Friend, More Apps, and Rate the App. By clicking any of these options, you will be taken out of the Take a Break application. Next, let's click the Done button in the upper left-hand corner. Now that you're back to the previous page, you'll click Done in the lower left-hand corner to go to the home page. Now that we're back at the home page, let's click the Play button that is centered at the top of the screen for a quick preview of what a meditation would sound like.
Let's begin by letting go of everything that you've been doing. Use your imagination to put it away. You can put it into a folder, into a drawer, and close the drawer.
Thank you for joining me today. Below this video in the description box, you'll find a link to the Take a Break Guided Meditation website for additional information, how to contact the County of San Diego if you have further questions about this specific training, and links to access our other YouTube video trainings. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health, living safely, and thriving. Thank you, and continue to live well, San Diego.